Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this WORKPRO 60-in-1 precision screwdriver set. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have the manual. Let's take a quick look at it. So it gives instructions on how to use it. So this has two different sizes of single-ended bits. Here and here, and there's 12 and 8 of those. So there's 20 total, and then there's 18 double-ended bits. And you can see all the different sizes here, so you can pause and read through that. So here we have the set. On top we have a button. You press it to open it up, and the set will slide out. So this is made of aluminum. So here we can see the bits. So I don't know the names of all these, but we have, say, Phillips, kind of a star, a Y, straight, triangle. We have some Torx, hex, security Torx, more hex, posi-drive, square, triangle. And some of these are single and some are double-sided. And then we have a few more bits here. And also here we have a kind of pry tool, and we have some tweezers. Very precise tweezers. Now the handle for this is the button you pressed in. So we'll push up here on the bottom, and the handle will come out. So this looks like a machined aluminum handle. So let's find a bit here. Now the bits are held in with a magnet. So that's held into here. So this has has kind of 3 flats and 3 rounded, but it's 6-sided here. And then this pivots, so you can put your finger here to rotate against this. Now there's a light oil on some of these parts. So let me find something to test with these. So I have an old iPhone here. It looks like the battery is bulging, so it needs to be removed. So I'll get the star drive here. Place that in the handle. Now I can take these screws out. Now there might be pressure in here, so I gotta be careful. Looks like we got the one screw out. And the second screw out. So now I can try prying this open. Now you need to be very careful using a metal tool for prying something like this. I'm going to go at a very shallow angle, kind of pull this open. So now I was able to get that phone open. So now I have some other screws in here, so I'll find a bit. I'm going to put these other screws back in so I don't lose them. So I have these Phillips screws here. Now I can remove those with the Phillips bit. Okay, so I have that battery disconnected now, and I can pull it out of there. So I'll put my screwdriver back. Now we have a pin tool here. I can go in to the side and I can press in, and we can pull the SIM card out. And now this phone is prepped for further work. If I want to replace the battery and fix the screen or recycle it, I can do that. So when I'm done, I can place the screwdriver handle back in here, and this whole thing can go back in the case, like so. So that's the WORKPRO 60-in-1 precision screwdriver set. I really like that this comes in a nice small package, and it's all self-contained. Since the bits are held in with magnets and they fit closely against the side, they're not going to flop around in there and get all mixed up. Not only does this come with a screwdriver, it also comes with the tweezers and the pry tool. A screwdriver set like this would be great for working on smartphones, small electronics. You could use these for eyeglasses, watches, and other small devices. So if you're looking for a small, compact, precision screwdriver set, I think that's a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.